Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain out Zertuche, and we've got some more unboxing videos. So we'll start with this one. I believe this is a YouTuber that has sent us his reels. We can pull up. Yeah, sure it is. Fancy right there. He also sent the braid to be put on. Suffix 832. As I've said in the videos, or I've always posted up at the end, that you can ship us your reels and stuff like that, but do the smart thing, just like he did. He put a note in there of exactly what he wants on his reel and stuff like that, how many yards and so forth. So that way, you know, some people have already got the specifics down of what they want on their reel. A lot of times people don't really know, and sometimes we don't know because we haven't gone through all the reels. I mean, there's so many reels on the market, it's real hard for us to automatically know exactly how much each reel is going to hold right off the bat. That's why we do this spooling library. So stay tuned to that video as soon as it comes. And let's see what he sent us.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that. So my Kyra 20,000. Whoa. That is nice, guys. That is going to be a cool one to check out. So stay tuned. That one is coming. I like that. That's pretty cool. Another box. What do we got in this box? I don't like them, but at the same time they help us because when we go to ship out reels, we already got the materials. Saves us a little bit of money, so we do appreciate it. Got an MXL Raptor in pink. Very nice. Got some kind of LX Raptor. There you go. Red one. Nice. Here. Another MXL. Good deal. This has been one of the hardest reels to get our hands on, so we are getting them in though. A handful a week, better than none. We've been sitting on them, waiting on some orders there for a minute. another LX Raptor in black. Very good looking. Very, very good. Here, we got a 30. We got a 30. Purple one. Yeah. Whoa, man. They seriously increased the clicker sound on that one. That's nice. I like that. Not one you can just easily pull out of the box with one hand. There we go. Another red in the house. Or we had a red and we sold it just the first day we got it in. As soon as we posted the video, it was gone. Yes, sir. With the deal for our 10,000 subscriber mark, our sponsors are really pitching in, guys, so don't miss the opportunity of getting on a fishing trip with us. The way we're doing it is for every 5 subscribers you get to subscribe to the channel and they refer your name, you get a free ticket. Free tickets will then go into this bag, and what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the name and we'll announce it on the YouTube channel. Right now, we've only got 4 tickets. So, y'all missing out, guys. It really is. I mean, stay tuned, guys. We are going to keep going with this all the way till we hit 10,000 subs. We should be at, hold on, let me grab my phone. All right, let's see where we're at. We'll check out our subscriber mark. We're at 8,960 subscribers, guys. So we only need 4,000 or 40 more to hit 9,000 subs. So we need 1,040 to hit 10,000 subs. I'm hoping we can break 9,000 before the week is out, which would be awesome. But again, too, to win the fishing trip, you must get 5 people to refer saying that you got them to subscribe to the channel. And for every 5, you get another ticket. Right now, one guy's got 3 tickets in the pot. He needs 2 more names and he gets his 4th ticket in the pot. So keep it up, guys. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel if you have subscribed. And again, it's free to get in, must be subscribed, and to get them to subscribe to the channel and say your name. Hey, what's up, guys? So while making this video, I realized that I did something wrong. And what it was talking about the subscriber giveaway for our 10,000 subscriber mark. The way you get into that one is through comments. As being a subscriber on the channel, you comment on videos and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the channel using the comment selector once we hit 10,000 subs. And then I'm going to keep doing that till I get 10 names with 10 comments across. And yes, I will be going live for this one. This one's going to take a while. So however long it takes so I can get those 10 contestants. Now those 10 contestants will have 4 winners. On those 4 winners, they will be going out on this fishing trip 24 hours on the beach with us and Team Real Locos. Now, let me continue on with the video. With that, once you're on this fishing trip, those 4 contestants are also competing for a grand prize once they are there. What that grand prize is, don't know. You're gonna have to win to find out, be first hand on the fishing trip, and then second hand by the YouTube channel. I don't know if we'll be able to go live where we're doing this at, but we may. You just never know. We're gonna check it out. Also too, the drawings, I posted it up in the community deal where we have 3 drawings. Drawing number 6, drawing number 7, and the 552. Drawing number 6 and number 7 are $50 a ticket. The 552 is $20 a ticket. We're at 81 tickets sold for the 552. We only have like 59 tickets left or something like that. Drawing number 6, we're more than halfway done. I think we only need 12 more tickets. Drawing number 7, we're more than halfway done too. We need 30 something tickets to sell out on that one. So yeah, guys, these tickets are going fast. I mean, really quick, so don't miss out. Once these are done, obviously we're gonna do some more, but we are definitely staying in tune with what y'all are wanting and in the price range too. So it's really coming around. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all around. And yes, sir, it's coming. We're gonna be fishing a lot more. We're gonna be trying out new things. And yes, it's crazy. It's getting crazy.